There are voices that disrupt, voices that challenge, provoke, and reshape the world around them. Sqiniseko was one of those voices, a creator unafraid to stir a controversy, a commentator whose words ignited debates, and a man who built his name on truth, however sharp it may have been. His fearless critique, especially of Maskandi superstar Khuzani Mpungose, turned his TikTok streams into battleground of opinion. Some called him bold, others called him reckless. And on May 29, 2025, that voice was silenced violently in the most shocking way possible. Today we look beyond the headlines, beyond the feud, and into the life, the legacy, and in the mystery surrounding his death. Sqiniseko, a TikTok content creator known for his Maskandi music reviews, was shot and killed while live streaming on TikTok on May 29, 2025 in Niger, Ekurhuleni. During his live session, an unidentified assailant fired multiple shots at him, cutting his life short while his audience watched in horror. The motive behind the attack remains unknown, and police investigations are ongoing. His tragic death has sparked widespread mourning, with many expressing concerns about the safety of online creators. Sqiniseko was a TikTok content creator and a Maskandi music analyst from KwaMaphumulo, KwaZulu-Natal. He gained recognition for his bold critiques and unfiltered discussion about Maskandi music, often sparking debates among fans and artists. At just 27 years old, Mvelase had built a strong following using his platform to analyze and celebrate soul folk music traditions. His commentary was often controversial, with some accusing of taking sides in industry rivalries. Despite these, many recognized him as a custodian of Maskandi culture, passionate about preserving its heritage. His funeral preparations began on May 30, 2025, as friends and families gathered to honor his memory. The Maskandi music scene has a history of intense rivalries, sometimes leading to violence. Experts have noted that fan bases behave like soccer teams, fearlessly defending their favorite artist. Mvelase's death highlights the dangers of online criticism. His unfiltered opinions made him popular but also polarizing, a reminder of how social media can escalate to conflict. While the motive behind his murder remains unknown, some believe his outspoken nature may have contributed. Mvelase was known for his bold critiques of Maskandi artists, and some of his comments about Khuzani Mpungose sparked debates among fans. A phone call between them was even leaked online, fueling speculation about their rivalry. Additionally, some TikTok discussion framed Mvelase as a rumor monger, suggesting he stirred controversy around Khuzani and other artists. Here's a deeper dive into the controversial relationship between Sqiniseko, Mvelase, and Khuzani Mpungose, along with key incidents that shaped their rivalry. Sqiniseko Mvelase was known for his bold and provocative critiques of Maskandi artists. He frequently lambasted Khuzani Mpungose, calling him an overrated and accusing him of manipulating fans to maintain his dominance in the industry. A private phone call between Mvelase and Mpungose surfaced online, where Mvelase allegedly mocked Khuzani's musical abilities and dismisses his influence in the Maskandi scene. This leak intensified their rivalry, with fans taking sides and fueling online debates. Mvelase was kidnapped under mysterious circumstances. Some speculated that his unspoken nature and harsh critiques of Maskandi artists, including Khuzani, may have played a role. However, no direct link was ever confirmed. Mvelase's TikTok live streams often include heated rants about Khuzani, where he used strong language to criticize his music and fan base. Some viewers believed his provocative style made him a target, and he had a reputation for insulting artists without restraint. Just weeks before his murder, Mvelase claimed his TikTok account has been hacked, raising concerns about whether he was being targeted. His last few live streams contained cryptic messages hinting at threats he had received. Sqiniseko had multiple feuds within the Maskandi music industry beyond his well-known rivalry with Khuzani Mpungose. Here are some of the most notable conflicts. Explosive clash with Mhlanga. Mvelase and Mhlanga had a heated altercation at the Togama event in the early 2025. What was meant to be a celebration of Maskandi culture turned into a public confrontation, shocking attendees. Reports suggest that tension had been simmering for months, with both artists accusing each other of disrespect and betrayal. The argument escalated into personal insults, leaving fans questioning whether this was an isolated incident or the result of a long-standing feud. Love him or hate him, Sqiniseko had made an impact. He was loud, he was bold, and he was unwavering of his conviction. His word-shaped discussion, his criticism shook the industry, and his tragic death serves a harsh reminder of the dangers that come with influence. Was this outspokenness his downfall? Was his rivalry with Khuzani Mpungose a factor in his fate? This is a question without clear answers, but one thing is certain: Mvelase's name will not fade. His voice will echo beyond the grave, and his story remains unfinished. The real question is, who will write the next chapter? Thank you for tuning in, and please subscribe, like, and until we meet again in the next video. Thank you.